to use tape, electrical tape, because I couldn't find that Band-Aid in the garage anywhere. So.
Yeah, you know what I did? I was out up in my house, I had nothing. I found a mask though. You know, it had that nice stretchy thing.
Because before it looked like a 3-year-old cut it out.
Well, it was a 6-year-old. Don't drop that stud down here. Look what I got.
Ooh. Oh, those guys.
Sweet, huh?
That's awesome.
10 of them.
Where'd you get them? What's the secret spot to get those?
It's the right thing, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You're not gonna share the secret where you got them?
Can't do that on camera.
Huh?
You're not gonna share the secret where you got these?
Oh, I got this from Advance.
Oh, really?
But they got them in a bubble pack thing, and you got to go ask the guys. No, what do you got in the back? And they're cheaper. They're cheaper by the 10, of course, very often.
7/16.
7/16. Morphodite.
Oh.
But I do believe. No, it's half, isn't it? No. Go on there. Where's that pipe? I don't know. Half would be better, wouldn't it? To be real careful about it, but you pound them over.
Really?
With a hammer.
That sounds like fun.
That's how rivets.
That sounds like we're gonna wreck something.
No, and they're aluminum. See, that's why we won't wreck nothing. You know, steel are around, but I found some aluminum ones in town. You can order brass ones from England, but aluminum's pretty good. Now, do you think? Where do you think you want that plaque? I believe it goes on this side, facing down that way. And then this is the one with the patents and all that.
Did we get these new or?
I think this goes like this. I think we want that like that. Is that right? Or do we want it on the other side? Want it over here.
What? It doesn't feel like it fits right.
You are such a complainer.
I know. Look, one could cut a finger on there.
Well, let's try this.
Same.
Would that be better?
I don't know. I mean,
I don't know which side looks right.
I think we should put it like that. How about a drill with an 1/8" bit in it?
Alright.
Let's get one of these. Yeah, I got that rounded out pretty good, I think.
oh yeah, that looks much better. Because before it looked like a 3-year-old cut it out.
Well, it was a 6-year-old. But there's no room under this thing, it's just a flat bottom, you know what I mean? So you gotta run. We do have a muffler thing for the back, but that's,
Ugly.
we're gonna have to baling wire something somehow just to get to the muffler shop with it. And then this end uses this thing. Steel on steel, and then the soft thing on the cast iron.
Yeah. No brass hammer?
Huh?
No brass hammer?
I'm glad we buffed this all up good before we started.
That was the best move.
That was smart.
Yeah, always remove rust before installing parts.
Maybe we can catch the bolts at this point.
I think so.
Okay.
It's so comfortable down
Yeah, you have a car on top of you. That's comforting.
here. Oh, it feels good on my back. Yeah, kind of does.
What do you got? Whatever, this got a bolt like that,
Upright?
upright. Yeah, the power's down here. And this has got to be figured out in and out.
It says on there,
It must say somewhere.
right here, outlet, inlet.
And then I'm sure you can loosen that and move these.
You think?
Well, it sure looks that way, doesn't it?
Kinda. Not it.
It would be me.
I think you should do it, because, I don't know. There's one stud. If you go under there, it's gonna
Well, I'm
hold
gonna go in there and look at it with you.
Well, if it's gonna hold on one stud, you okay with that?
No. No, we're gonna have two bolts like this. Let's go down and take a look.
The car's too high.
Yeah, I know. That probably was it at some time, right?
Then there's that. These are different sides.
Look at that. Well, maybe. I bet you this is perfect for the midget side. Oh, right here. It says in the instructions to put a filter before. Because I need to look at, okay, we got a whole throttle to make, we got a throttle, pedal, and cable to build. I know where all the parts are.
Good luck.
How fun.
Just This is when you bust your knuckles.
Undo it. Yeah, I know. So might be better. Probably the outside, yeah.
It's ugly. When I install Whipples, what I do is I hide these, like if I can. I'll just, so all you see is the strap.
That's the way to do it. Unless you don't really care.
I do care though.
It was yesterday.
Me too.
Yeah.
I had to use tape, electrical tape, because I couldn't find a Band-Aid in the garage anywhere. So
Yeah, you know what I did? I was out up in my house, I had nothing. I found a mask though. You know, and it had a nice stretchy thing. This was bleeding like,
That's what it's
it was
for.
bleeding like mad. It was terrible.
Yeah. Usually, you know, when you got oil all over your hands, it'll just seal it right up.
It's gotta seal it up somehow.
16 long. 16 inches long.
Okay, now this.
No, there's.
Oh, this could have gone in.
What is it? Brake line?
Clutch line.
Clutch line.
Does it have this? Doesn't look like it.
You get it?
Yeah.
Which means you want a washer probably.
Sure.
Is there a right angle in this?
Yeah, almost.
Almost. So a little big radius.
We bend it. No. No. No.
Okay. Now. Somewhere.
So what are you doing?
Clutch line. I guess I can connect that. First,
Really?
in Chaz, we stored it. Check this out.
Whoa. That's so smooth.
I know. It didn't move, like, at all.
Dang.
Look at that. Bang.
Yeah, it looks like a roll cage.
It is.
So,
Okay.
that's cool.
Here you go. You need. What?
It's straight, but
It's.
yeah, it's straight.
I flattened it. It was all bent.
It's designed that way.
Well, that's nice.
What the heck?
Is it bent and ruined or something?
Maybe.
We had another one that we could compare it to, maybe.
We don't have another one.
We
That
do.
one's broken.
No, there's another one that's broke off on the bottom, but maybe the top is still intact. Maybe not, I don't know.
We gotta make sure this gas pedal though is solid because it's all we'll be using.
Would you just?
What? No.
Pretty short throw.
And the engine comes out.
You know what I mean? Pretty short throw.
Yeah.
The ready cover is probably snap open. Presto. Which will be good. It'll be fun to drive. It'll sort of be like driving a motorcycle. Real quick.
You think it's gonna be faster than the 2017 Fiesta with the 1.6 liter?
This is a midget we're talking about, of course it will.
Well, I think if you flung them both off a cliff, they'd be about the same.
Yeah.
Well, we're
Get that
really.
on video? Oh. So Chaz, when do you think we can start this? Like
Well,
get the engine running?
We're really close to starting the wiring because we have almost everything installed. Mechanical parts. It's going to take us several days to wire everything up and make it all hooked up.
Get the dash going and stuff.
Yeah, and we're not going to try, there's no reason to try starting until we have everything all working and tested with the battery. And then, so, you know, I'd say we will run this before we do the interior the rest of the way and the top.
Seats and all that and top.
And the upholstery. We'll do that after it's run.
'Cause I'm ready to turn that key. I'll bring the gas. You just let me know when to bring the gas.
But we'll have it, we'll have it running after we work probably 3 or 4 more times.
Oh.
I like that. So it's been like what, 4 months so far?
Well, we only work on it 1 or 2 times a week.
Yeah.
So it is what it
It's
is.
not bad.
I figure it takes 6 months to do a car around here, but that's working every evening.
Yeah.
And this is very complete. We took it down to nothing.
Oh yeah.
So that's why it looks so good.
When you gonna get yours repainted? When am I telling that?
Well, I want to get it running in course and all that, and then yeah, we should just assemble it and paint it, I guess. One thing nice about it, MGB GTs seem to be super hot. They're really worth a lot of money. And the ones from the 60s, you can't even find them.
Yeah. Now, is they gonna raise the value or decrease it if you get it painted?
Well, it is pretty cool being original paint.
Yeah.
No rust, desert car, all that stuff. So, but I think it'll increase our enjoyment of it. And I don't know this, but I think I'm going to like it and keep it around a good while.
You always say that.
I always
But
say
then
that.
there's 13 of these later.
I know. But that
This is the one.
I think that's the last Sunday. So I hate to sell it in that way.
Yeah.
And it's overdrive. There's so few of them. I'd never get another one. On the other hand, do I really want 2 cars from me? Not really. But,
Can't ever